Good day everyone. For today, I'm going to introduce to you the 20 invention breakthrough in all fields in the society from year 2015 to 2020. About technology. Technology refers to the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, particularly in industry and everyday life. It includes the tools, machines, device, system, and methods that humans create to solve problems, improve efficiency, or enhance experiences. In the broader sense, technology is about innovation and the use of tools to improve various aspects of life, including education, business, health, and entertainment. 20 inventions from year 2015 to 2020. CRISPR gene editing 2015, reusable rockets 2015, Hyperloop 2015, solar roof tiles 2016, holographic displays 2017, augmented reality 2016, self-driving cars 2015 to 2020, 5G technology 2019, artificial intelligence and machine learning 2015 to 2020, and COVID-19 mRNA vaccines 2018. Quantum computing 2019, blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies 2017, foldable smartphone 2019, smartphone devices 2015 to 2020, electric cars 2015 to 2020, vertical farming 2016, DNA test storage 2017, wearable health technology 2015 to 2020, lab ground meat 2019, biodegradable plastics 2018. First, CRISPR gene editing 2015, a revolution technology that allows precise editing of genes, offering possibilities in genetic disease treatments and agricultural advancement. Next, reusable rockets 2015, SpaceX Falcon 9 become the first of orbital rocket capable of being reused, this drastically reducing the cost of space travel. Hyperloop. Elon Musk's Hyperloop concept, a night-speed transportation system, saw prototypes developed, although it remains in the experimental phases. Solar roof tiles. Tesla introduced solar roof tiles that look like regular shingle but generate electricity, merging aesthetics with renewable energy. Next. Holographic displays. Advance in holographic technology such as Microsoft HoloLens allowed for interactive 3D holograms to be displayed, paving the way for innovations in design, medicine, and gaming. Augmented reality. Pokemon Go popularized AR technology and gaming, blending virtual elements into the physical world via smartphones. Self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber made advances in autonomous driving technology, bringing self-driving cars closer to widespread adoption. 5G technology. The rollout of 5G network began, offering faster internet speeds, low latency, and enabling new possibilities for the Internet of Things. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Breaking through in AI such as Google, DeepMind's AlphaGo and advancements in natural language processing began transforming industries from healthcare to finance. COVID-19 mRNA vaccines 2018. The rapid development and deployment of mRNA-based vaccines such as BioNTech, and Moderna mark a groundbreaking achievement in vaccine technology. Quantum computing. Google claimed quantum supremacy with its Sycamore processor, performing a complex calculation faster than the most powerful classical supercomputers. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies 2017. Blockchain gained prominence with the rise of Bitcoin and Ethereum, with application extending into finance, supply chain management, and even digital art. Foldable smartphones. Companies like Samsung and Huawei launched foldable smartphone offering innovation design and new possibilities in mobile devices from factors. Smartphone devices. The widespread adoption of voice assistants like Amazon, Alexa, and Google Home revolutionized the way people interact with the smart device in their homes. Electric cars. Tesla and other companies made major advances in electric vehicle technology, significantly increasing the range and efficiency of electric cars. Vertical farming. Innovations in vertical farming such as LED lights and hydroponic system improved food production in urban areas, reducing need for large-scale agriculture. DNA data storage. Scientists demonstrated the possibility of storing data in DNA, potentially offering a solution and growing need for data storage. Next, wearable health technology. Devices like Apple Watch and Fitbit integrated health monitoring features such as ECG tracking and oxygen level monitoring, revolutionizing personal health management. Lab ground meat 2019. Culture of lab ground meat became a reality with companies like Memphis Meats developing alternative or traditional animal farming. Biodegradable plastics. New technologies emerge for creating biodegradable plastics, helping to combat the growing environment issue of plastic pollution.